It is so exciting to welcome the weekend by celebrating with your colleagues after office hours. But if you have been careless, any mistake can impact your reputation among colleagues and make things awkward. After all, who would like to ruin their party memories? If you don't want to end up in such situation, stick to this video and I will show you how you can enjoy to the fullest, improve your networking and soft skills, and do not make any mistakes which you or others might regret later. And by the way, you don't want to miss the pro tip by the end of this video, so stay tuned. First things first, reach on time. You would certainly not like to annoy your colleagues by being late. Arriving on time shows respect to host and event itself. Next, you don't want to make someone feel isolated or miss any opportunity to make new contacts and build network. Whether it's a small gathering or a larger event, try to speak with as many people as possible. A warm smile and a friendly conversation can go a long way in making connections. Remember, every person is a new opportunity to network and learn new experiences. Hence, engage with everyone. Next tip is interesting one. Drink by drink, you are enjoying the party, only to get carried away. Do you know what happens next? You cannot control yourself, and now things have become awkward. Remember, drink in limits. Not everyone drinks alcohol. Respect that. Do not force anyone to drink alcohol. Never talk on topics that can hurt anyone's sentiments, even if that sounds tempting. Doing so can create conflicts and spoil the mood for everyone. Stay professional. Do not do anything which will make others uncomfortable. This includes dancing inappropriately, pointing or staring others, or even showing extreme low confidence. Instead, you can dance in a way that others feel comfortable, behave professionally, and show a good confidence. Remember, your body language speaks a lot about you. And now it's the time for the pro tip. What if talking to new people opens doors to new opportunities for you? Think of it as a chance to connect with the right people for your personal and professional growth. For example, someone who is already a master in a skill you want to learn, or someone whose goals align with yours, so you can network and learn together on a challenging work. Last but not least, you surely don't want to disturb your and others' further schedule. This avoids the unnecessary need for others to stay back as well. Leaving on time creates a positive impression of you that you are aware of the time and also maintains your work-life balance. Here's what you learned in this video. So hope you have an incredible and memorable office party. If you want more such videos, let me know in the comments section and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.